Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EVOK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So a pretty crazy day, a deep pullback. And if you were to say, hey, Clay, what do you think about the chart? Well, it depends. What do I mean by it depends? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. If you care about the big picture of things, more so the overall perspective, then the bulls do still have a chance of putting a higher low, and therefore they have a chance to build a long-term uptrend. And assuming you care about, again, the big picture perspective, that's what you're concerned about. Is the price putting in higher lows and therefore building long-term uptrends? So to better illustrate this, I want to actually just kind of zoom up the chart here a little bit. I don't want to go that way. So there we go. And the first level that hopefully does a good job of illustrating the point here that I'm trying to convey is right here at $3.10. And this comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So you can see 310 acted as resistance, 310 acted as resistance. And let's say the price pulls back or continues to pull back. I mean, I think we can all agree it's already been a pretty deep pullback. But let's just say that continues and the price comes down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, the stair steps would still be going in the upward direction from the big picture perspective. I keep emphasizing big picture perspective because I fully realize if you bought right there, you bought right there, you bought right there, you could care less about that stair step all the way down there. I'm talking about things from the longer term perspective. So sure, the price did pull back today, but the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build the higher low, and I'm defining that higher low as staying up above $3.10. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this thing starts to bounce, where are some of these hurdles at? Initial area of resistance that really kind of made its presence felt this afternoon right here at $3.70. Multiple times the bulls try to bounce up through there and just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be the initial area of resistance. Next battleground point after that, I'm going to call right up there around the $4.15 mark. So interesting day. Nice gap up, but then the pullback makes things a little bit confusing, but it really all circles back to what was your perspective going in. So we'll see how this unfolds the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.